Imagine finishing a recipe in the kitchen, rolling your screen into the living room for a movie, then bringing that same display to your home office for a video call. That's the everyday experience LG is aiming for with its latest portable smart display. LG has officially introduced the StanbyME 2 Max, a 32-inch 4K touchscreen designed to move wherever you need it. Unlike a traditional television that's fixed to one wall, this display comes with a wheeled stand and can even detach completely, giving users far more flexibility around the home. The biggest upgrade is the screen itself. LG has increased the size from 27 inches to 32 inches, while boosting the resolution to full 4K. It also supports Dolby Vision for improved picture quality and Dolby Atmos audio, powered by the company's Alpha 8 AI processor Gen 3, which automatically adjusts both visuals and sound based on what you're watching and the surrounding environment.
Because it's running webOS, the StanbyME 2 Max works like a complete smart TV. You get access to streaming apps, free live channels, productivity tools, video calling, and smartphone screen mirroring without connecting another device. And if you prefer using it as a monitor, HDMI and USB ports are ready for gaming consoles or laptops. Power comes from a built-in battery rated for up to 4.5 hours, allowing the display to move from room to room without staying plugged into the wall. That's a noticeable improvement over earlier versions of the StanbyME lineup. Of course, all of that versatility comes at a premium. The StanbyME 2 Max launches in the United States with a price tag of $1,299. For that money, buyers could purchase a much larger conventional TV, making this less about raw value and more about convenience, portability, and lifestyle. Whether consumers embrace this new category remains to be seen, but LG is clearly betting that the future of home entertainment isn't just about bigger screens, it's about putting the screen exactly where you need it.